best part of it for me is to see people engage in this eye-opening experience and them understanding the situations that their clients are in. The audience always gets engaged in the process, not just the hands-on portion of it, but also kind of the back and forth, learning new things about social psychology and how people really make decisions.
It was awesome. It was a great experience.
Puts a little pep in the step. Going back to the office and hoping to crush it on our next proposal.
Engaging, practical, and resourceful.
I really enjoyed Matt, and I like his delivery and the way that he presents.